Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set a live wallpaper by using TikTok on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So TikTok is a good platform if you want to have a cool wallpaper that will be dynamic on your Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that you need to do is of course download TikTok. You can do this through the Play Store. Once you have TikTok, you can open the app, then go to your profile in the bottom right corner, then top left corner, tap on these three lines, and then go to settings and privacy. Now you need to scroll down, and over here you should find wallpaper. So let's go to the wallpaper and then tap find wallpapers. Over here you should be able to find a bunch of different wallpapers. You can search for something more specific. I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. Of course we can scroll in order to keep searching. And now what we need to do is tap the share button, which is the arrow over here. Then at the bottom, we need to swipe to find set wallpaper, set as wallpaper. So tap the option, and you might need to install the wallpaper plugin. So let's do that. Let's install it. And we should open the Play Store. You can tap the install button. Once it is done, we can go back. So exit the Play Store. And then once again go to the same options, so go to share and then set as wallpaper. Now we should download it. At the bottom we should find set as wallpaper, so press the button and then confirm set wallpaper. Press the button, then you can choose to set it to home screen or both home screen and lock screen. I'm gonna set it to home screen. And now if we close TikTok, then as you can see I have this dynamic and live wallpaper from TikTok. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.